Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Muhammad Adeeb Ahmed, and you're watching Online Learning with Adeeb. So, in this video, we will discuss about the most important MCQs of MDCAT regarding the topic of biomolecules. So, let's start. MCQs number 1. Cellulose of wood, cotton, and paper is an example of option A carbohydrates, option B nucleic acid, option C protein, option D lipid. The correct answer is option A carbohydrates. MCQs number 2. The main constituents of cell wall of plants, algae, fungi, and eukaryotic microorganisms are option A carbohydrates, option B nucleic acid, option C protein, option D lipid. The correct answer is option A carbohydrates because cell wall of plants made up of cellulose, that is the carbohydrate, and the cell wall of fungi is made up of chitin, that is also the carbohydrate, and the cell wall of algae made up of pectin and hemicellulose, that is also carbohydrates. So that's why the correct answer is option A carbohydrate. MCQs number 3. The source of carbohydrates are option A bacteria, option B protist, option C green plants, option D protozoans. The correct answer is option C green plants because green plants do photosynthesis, and in the end product of photosynthesis glucose is formed, you know and glucose is the carbohydrate. So that's why the source of carbohydrates are green plants. MCQs number 4. Carbohydrates are classified into how many groups? Option A 3, option B 5, option C 7, option D 9. The correct answer is option A 3 because carbohydrates are classified into monosaccharide, oligosaccharide, and polysaccharide. Means that three groups carbohydrates are classified into three groups. Option A 3 is correct answer. MCQs number 5. Dash and dash are the most common monosaccharides. Option A triosis, tetrosis, option B tetrosis, pentosis, option C pentosis, hexosis, option D hexosis, heprosis. The correct answer is option C pentosis and hexosis. Pentose is monosaccharide, consists of 5 carbon. Hexosis is also monosaccharide, consists of 6 carbon. And glucose is hexose, is the most common monosaccharide. So option C pentosis and hexosis is correct answer. MCQs number 6. Starch, cellulose, and glycogen yield dash on complete hydrolysis. Option A fructose, option B glucose, option C mannose, option D galactose. The correct answer is option C mannose. When the starch, cellulose, and glycogen hydrolyzed, these yield mannose. So option C mannose is the correct answer. MCQs number 7. How many carbon are kept outside the ring in glucose? Option A 1, option 2, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is option A 1 because carbons are kept outside the ring in glucose is 1. You can see in this picture, in this ring, the outside carbon is 1. The correct answer is option A 1. MCQs number 8. Dash is composed of 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acids. Option A acylglycerol, option B monoglyceride, option C triglyceride, option D diacylglycerol. The correct answer is option C triglyceride. Triglyceride is composed of 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acids. This is the theoretical base question. MCQs number 9. Dash fats are solid at room temperature. Animal, option A animal, option B plant, option C no, option D both A and B. The correct answer is option A animal. Animal fat are solid at room temperature. Animal fat is also called saturated fat. That is the solid at room temperature. MCQs number 10. Fats containing dash fatty acid are solid at room temperature. Option A unsaturated, option B saturated, option C branched, option D ring. The correct answer is option B saturated. Saturated fatty acid are solid at room temperature, as I discussed in MCQs number 9. As I discussed, thank you so much for watching this video.